Imagine for a moment living in a universe where you are not unique, where there are countless versions of you, living out countless different lives. Is this just the stuff of science fiction, or could it be a reality? This idea, known as the multiverse, has its roots in the fantastical worlds of science fiction. But over the years, it has evolved from a mere imaginative concept into a serious scientific theory. Some scientists even suggest that our universe, with its galaxies, stars, and planets, might be just one among many, just one bubble in a cosmic ocean of countless other bubbles, each harboring its unique laws of physics, its unique history. It's a mind-bending idea, isn't it? The notion that challenges our understanding of reality and our place in the cosmos. But the question remains, is it just an idea, or is it a tangible, testable reality? So, is there a multiverse? Let's delve into the theories and the evidence. To understand the concept of a multiverse, we first need to understand what we mean by universe. The universe as we know it is a vast expanse that stretches out to the furthest reaches of our comprehension. It encapsulates everything that exists, from the tiniest subatomic particles to the grandest galaxies, from the smallest moments of time to the broadest dimensions of space. It's the totality of all matter, energy, time, space, and the physical laws and constants that describe them. It's everything we can observe and everything we can't. Quite literally, it's our everything. But what if our everything is just one of many everythings? What if our universe is not the only show in town? This is where the concept of a multiverse comes in. The idea of a multiverse suggests that our universe may not be the only one. Instead, it could be just one of an infinite number of universes, each existing independently. Each of these universes could have different physical laws, different timelines, different dimensions. They could contain different galaxies, different stars, different planets. Some might even contain different versions of you and me. This concept might sound like science fiction, but it's actually a topic of serious debate among scientists. The multiverse theory is a byproduct of other theories in physics, such as quantum mechanics and string theory. It's not something scientists have just dreamt up. Rather, it's an idea that has emerged from our quest to better understand the nature of reality itself. But before we dive into the scientific theories, it's important to remember that the multiverse is still a theory. It hasn't been proven. It's a tantalizing idea, a possibility that widens our perspective of the cosmos and challenges our understanding of reality. But it's also a concept that stretches the limits of our imagination and tests the boundaries of our scientific understanding. Now that we know what we mean by multiverse, let's explore the scientific theories that support its existence. There are several theories in modern physics that suggest the existence of a multiverse. Let's start with quantum mechanics, a pillar of modern science. This theory describes nature at the smallest scales of energy levels of atoms and subatomic particles. It is famous for its principle of superposition, where a particle can exist in multiple states at once until observed. So, where does the multiverse come in? Well, there's a twist. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics proposes that for every possible outcome of these superpositions, the world splits into many realities. In other words, for every decision you make, there's a universe where you made a different choice. A multiverse. Next up, we have the string theory. Now, this is where things get a little more complex. String theory suggests that the fundamental constituents of reality are not zero-dimensional points, but one-dimensional strings of energy. In this theory, our universe is just one of countless bubbles floating in a higher dimensional space. Each of these bubbles, or brain worlds, can have different laws of physics, creating a vast landscape of countless universes, a multiverse. Finally, let's talk about inflationary cosmology. This theory is about the birth of our universe. It suggests that our universe underwent a rapid expansion, or inflation, moments after the Big Bang. But here's the kicker. This inflation could be a phenomenon that occurs repeatedly, creating an infinite number of universes in a never-ending cycle. Each universe born from its own Big Bang, each with its own laws of physics, again, a multiverse. Now, you might think this is all a bit far-fetched. But remember, these are not just wild ideas. These theories are the result of rigorous mathematical models and are backed by some of the greatest minds in physics. They are attempts to explain some of the deepest mysteries of our universe, from the nature of reality itself to the origins of our cosmos. These theories, while complex, all point to the exciting possibility of a multiverse. But what evidence do we have? Well, That's what we'll explore in the next segment. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of the multiverse. The evidence for a multiverse is at present largely theoretical, but there are some intriguing clues. Let's start with the idea of fine-tuning. In our universe, we find that certain physical constants have values that are exquisitely balanced. For instance, the force of gravity, the speed of light, and the charge of an electron, all these are so precise that if they were even slightly different, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Some scientists argue that this fine-tuning is best explained by the existence of a multiverse where every conceivable combination of constants is played out somewhere. Next, we have the cosmic microwave background. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang, and it's imprinted with patterns that scientists are still trying to decipher. Recently, some researchers have suggested that certain anomalies in this background radiation could be signs of other universes bumping into our own in the distant past. It's a fascinating idea, though it's also met with a fair amount of skepticism. Then there's quantum entanglement. This is a phenomenon where particles become linked and can instantly affect each other, no matter how far apart they are. It's been described as spooky action at a distance, and it's one of the weirdest parts of quantum mechanics. Some interpretations suggest that this could be evidence of multiple universes, with each possible outcome of a quantum event spawning a new universe. And finally, there's the theory of eternal inflation. This suggests that our universe is just one bubble in an infinite cosmic foam, with new universes constantly being created and old ones disappearing. It's an idea that's gained a lot of traction in recent years, and it's arguably the most direct evidence we have for a multiverse. While this evidence is not definitive, it certainly gives us food for thought. The existence of a multiverse has profound implications for our understanding of reality. If we truly inhabit a multiverse, it means we are just one of an infinite number of realities. Imagine a cosmos brimming with countless versions of you, me, and everything we know, each living out every conceivable scenario. This notion of parallel universes is as mind-boggling as it is fascinating. But it doesn't stop there. The multiverse also compels us to reconsider the very nature of reality. Our universe, as vast and complex as it is, could be just a tiny speck within an infinitely larger cosmic canvas. It forces us to confront the concept of infinity in a tangible way, pushing the boundaries of our comprehension. So as we venture further into the realm of the multiverse, we venture into the unknown, the uncharted. The existence of a multiverse challenges our understanding of reality and opens up a world of infinite possibilities. So, is there a multiverse? The truth is, we don't know yet. As we've traversed through this cosmic conundrum, we've explored the intriguing theories that propose a multiverse, a reality teeming with countless universes, each with its own laws of physics. We've delved into the tantalizing evidence, the cosmic microwave background, the quantum mechanics, and the string theory, all of which hint at the possibility of a multiverse. We've also pondered over the profound implications of such a reality. If a multiverse does exist, it would redefine our understanding of existence, challenging our notions of life, space, and time. It would make us question our uniqueness, our place in the grand scheme of things. Yet the truth remains elusive, hidden behind the veil of cosmological mysteries. But isn't that what makes the quest so enthralling? While the existence of a multiverse remains a mystery, the search for answers promises to take us on a fascinating journey, a journey into the very nature of reality itself.